Mission: to engage, develop, and guide the youth in becoming responsible and active citizens for nation building. Vision: empowered youth leading positive change in their community. For the objectives, short-term youth employment and skill training, offer short-term livelihood workshop or job fairs for out-of-school youth. Long-term, environmental sustainability, develop long-term waste management and environmental protection program in the barangay. Services, leadership, training, youth camp, and skill development. Seminar, community benefits is build confident, capable, and responsible young leader can contribute to community progress. The product and services, tree planting, recycling, and cleanup drive. The target market of SKR 15 to 30 age within the barangay focusing on their leadership, development, education, livelihood, and health. The improve of quality by the empowering the youth to become responsible, healthy, skilled, and active citizen who contribute to community progress and sustainable development.